It was not long ago since you came into your first relationship, but Jungkook had always been like this, cold. You never minded him being like this as long as he treated you right and loved you, which he actually did. He proposed you and you accepted him as you were already in love with him, but never got the courage to tell him because of your nervousness and anxiety issues. You were beyond happy when he confessed his feelings to you. No matter how cold he was, he always loved you. But it was kinda difficult for him to show that by his physical touches or kisses. It was rainy night and you were making dinner for your boyfriend who was playing video games on his PC. You took the dinner and placed it on the dining table and called him. In the matter of seconds, he came down the stairs after getting called. You both sat down in front of each other and started eating with no conversation, and he was just scrolling through phone while you let out a tired sigh from your mouth. Seeing him being busy with his games and phone, you didn't like the behavior of him, but you just tried to avoid all that, reminding yourself that he truly loved you. Soon he finished the dinner and went back to his room to play games again. You again sighed and didn't even finish your food and went to the kitchen to wash the dishes, not forgetting the fact that you had an interview of a job you got selected for the next day. You told about that to him a week ago, but it seemed that he didn't remember it. Every time you got reminded of the interview, your heart skipped a beat in fear and nervousness. You always had anxiety and being social awkward, but this time you had been practicing a lot to avoid since it was a big and important part of your life. You got up at 3 a.m. in the morning because you weren't able to sleep. It was still too much time left for you to go to the interview. You couldn't due to nervousness and overthinking. You were taking a walk in your balcony in too much nervousness. Just then your footsteps were heard by your boyfriend who was in deep sleep. He woke up suddenly hearing your loud footsteps and made his way to you in the balcony. He asked you out of the confusion. Babe, what's wrong? Why you're up so early? Nothing, Jungkook. It's just I'm nervous. You said while you were still walking. He just stopped you by holding your wrist. Nervous? Due to what? He asked, being clueless about your interview. You looked at him with vexed expression and sighed. He gulped and suddenly remembered about your interview finals. Wait, it's your interview today, right? You nodded with tiredness. Jungkook didn't know what to do. It was his first time seeing you this tensed because you never showed it to him, no matter how much tense you were over a problem. But this time your anxiety wasn't letting you hide it. You again started walking in the balcony, but then suddenly you felt your heartbeat rate increasing at a fast rate. You started feel like you're losing control, and your legs and hands more like your whole body started trembling out of nowhere. You were having an anxiety attack. Jungkook immediately hugged you. Babe, are you okay? Oh my god. He asked in a very worried tone, and you were not able to speak at that moment. He ran to the kitchen to bring you a glass of water and made you drink it. He started patting your back gently and massaged your legs to calm down your anxiety. He was almost about to cry seeing you in this situation, but had to hold it to help you. He started taking deep breaths and he took you in his embrace and did everything to calm you down, made you relax your body, and when you finally got relaxed, he placed a kiss on your forehead, making you feel at ease, hugged you for 15 minutes straight, and didn't let you speak anything. You felt so much better when Jungkook did that. He caressed your head till you finally stopped crying. You pulled out from the hug, looking down at the ground, feeling embarrassed. Babe, are you okay now? He asked, while caressing your cheeks, looking into your eyes. You nodded softly while he stood up and went downstairs, but you had no idea what was he going to do. He went downstairs and it was 4 a.m. in the morning. Entering into the kitchen being clueless, he didn't waste any second to make a favorite dish, even though he didn't know how to cook. But he just knew he had to do it. Finally, doing too much hard work, he finally made your favorite dish and went upstairs. You looked at him, clueless, and he smiled softly at you and served the dish in front of you. Couldn't help but melt at his efforts and hugged him tightly and kissing him passionately out of love, while Jungkook did the same because you both loved each other so much.